In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature or drawing in Google Sheets. This skill is particularly handy for those who want to personalize their documents or simply need to include a quick informal sign-off. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to open a Google Doc. While this might seem unconventional since our goal is to work with Google Sheets, using a Google Doc can simplify the process of creating your signature. Once your document is open, move your cursor up to the top of the screen and click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu filled with new options. From here, look for Drawing and click on it. You'll notice another menu pop up and you'll want to select New. Now that you have the drawing window open, you're ready to create your signature or drawing. First, click on the Select Line tool, which is in the toolbar. It looks like a small diagonal line, and it allows you to choose how you'd like to draw. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a list of options. Click on Scribble. This is the tool that will let you freely draw anything you like, including your signature. You can use the mouse to write out your signature or a simple drawing. It might take a few tries to get it perfect, so don't stress if it doesn't look right the first time. You can always clear it and start over. To make your signature more prominent, you might want to increase the line thickness. Look for the line weight option, generally symbolized by a stacked line icon. Adjust the pixel size to your preference. This gives your signature a bolder appearance and makes it easier to read. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Save and Close. Your drawing will now be saved and embedded into the Google Doc you're working with. But remember, our ultimate goal is to get this into your Google Sheet. To do this, you can simply copy the drawing from the Google Doc and then paste it directly into your Google Sheet. This straightforward approach ensures that what you created transfers exactly as it is, keeping your formatting in check. The final step is to adjust the size of the signature or drawing once it's in the Google Sheet. Click the edges of the image to resize it to your liking. This ensures it fits perfectly within your document without taking too much or too little space. And there you have it. Now you know how to add a signature or drawing in Google Sheets. This method is efficient and adds a personal touch to your documents. I hope this guide helps you make your sheets more engaging and customized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.